The Common Core has brought many changes to the way we teach and to the material that we teach. Teachers are now required to increase rigor and increase the use of technology. My freshman Algebra 1 students are learning a lot more algebra while taking pre-algebra in 8th grade. These changes are still in the transition phase. Therefore, I created an assessment in Socrative that includes most of the skills that are taught in the first chapter of our algebra book. This formative assessment includes 11 multiple choice and 4 open-ended questions. The questions were created to assess the student's knowledge of vocabulary and algebraic expressions. Each student will use their own device or one of the 6 computers in the classroom to complete this formative assessment. It will take place during the first week of school, and the students will be informed that the purpose is to see what prior knowledge they have and that I will be using this data to drive my instruction in Chapter 1. Currently on the screen is an example of a student's responses. I could not fit the entire document, but it provides all of his answers for each question and a grade for the multiple choice section. Once I have a completed report of the students' results, the students and I will analyze the different areas of strengths and weaknesses while keeping privacy. Depending on the results, we will determine the best way to continue my instruction throughout the first chapter. The NETST standard that I covered during this lesson was Standard 2. Design and develop digital age learning experiences and assessments. My lesson was based on 2.D, which states that teachers are to provide students with multiple and varied formative and summative assessments aligned with content and technology standards, and use resulting data to inform learning and teaching. If I were to grade myself solely based on this lesson, I will say that I fall between developing and proficient. I developed and conducted a technology-based formative assessment to inform teaching and learning, which is considered developing. I can't say that I was proficient because the lesson does not enable multiple and varied opportunities to demonstrate learning. However, they will make data-based decisions to customize and adapt future learning opportunities. So I would say that is partially proficient. I created this lesson prior to utilizing the standards. The NETS standards are new to me, and I will improve as we create more lessons. I feel I will be more successful in achieving proficient on the rubric when developing a lesson with a standard in mind.